Nowadays, there's so many supplement brands that it's hard for yours to get off the ground and running. But there is one way that you can grow and market your supplements to a new audience without the help of Facebook and Instagram ads. Hey, my name is Manachi Okulu, and in this video, I want to share a bit about what our service is and how we help you get more customers for your supplement brand. Okay, so our service is Pinterest marketing. We help supplement brands get more sales through Pinterest. So why is Pinterest so good for getting sales for supplement brands? Well, first of all, let's look at Pinterest's monthly average users. Pinterest has 478 monthly active users on their platform. Yes, that is monthly. So it baffles me to hear people say that their audience isn't on Pinterest. Those are the people who most of the time go out of business after a while because they don't try to separate themselves from their competitors. Their competitors are doing Facebook and Instagram, and they just go with their competitors and do the same thing, and are getting dominated on those platforms when they can do something different on that platform or move to a new platform that is almost untapped by other supplement brands. So now that you know that your targeted audience is on Pinterest, what makes me so sure that you can actually grow your supplement brand on Pinterest? But before we take a look at that, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now let's get back into the video. Okay, so Pinterest is a great place for health and fitness niche. Health and fitness niche is the number one niche on Pinterest. So if you have a supplement brand that is in health or fitness or even in both, you basically got a huge amount of people you can market to on Pinterest. These people are looking either to learn about health and fitness or looking for products in the health and fitness niche that they need. So all you have to do is go there, show them that they have a problem, give them a solution, then show them that your product is the solution, and that's how they will buy it. You build trust with them this way, and you have a huge amount of people who are looking for products like supplement products on Pinterest. One of the things that people think of Pinterest is that it's mainly to promote blogs, but that's not true. Pinterest can be used to build up your brand and get you more sales. It's more than just an app that helps you promote your blogs now. You could actually use it to get more sales on your website. I just want that to sink into your mind that Pinterest is more than just for blogs. You can get more sales on Pinterest for your e-com brand, and you could also do like different things like services or like literally anything on Pinterest, the same that you would do on Facebook or Instagram. Look forward to the next video that I'll upload, which will be about how to make your supplement brand more unique and stand out in the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.